a Dodge Ram. I bet one Ram isn't even racing.
Puddle's on the right.
He said, I got scared when I get out here and saw this big crowd.
I don't think you can go on the right. I don't think you have to get Oh my God.
Joey Diego.
Nothing there.
Hello, how you doing?
That was rough.
Boo, Yankees! And he's probably going to vote for Hillary Trump. All right, let me see it. Try this at home, kids. Jeff Audette. I should have known that. But the 85 is changed. What's got? 2 old Fords.
I bet a Ford wins this, Jerry.
Hang on. Scratch them up, boys. Side by side, they faced each other. Oh, down the back, shoot the inside lane with a slight advantage. Down into turn 3. Going in deep. The outside lane with a fender out ahead. The black truck running over the ripple strike. Boom, 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 boom. I think I got a shotgun. Baby! How'd that work out?
Yeah, that'll buff out.
How's your tie rods?
It'll buff out, no problem. Duct tape and rubber cement.
Tie rods are still working. Carburetor is still carbon.
Oh, he's good.
Piston's still working.
He's good.
What?
I know. I feel like
So cool, my friend. Oh, we got some race going here, haven't we? Pay attention, Jerry. Yeah.
Hey, I bet a GM wins this.
No way. Don't go to the inside, put the bumper to him. The big old truck's gonna get it done, eh? Stretches it right out to the outside.
Another dog.
And we got a Dakota Sport on the inside. Bring that Chevy down the inside. Muscling right out of the groove. The guy in the little black truck, he's laying up over the windshield. Oh, he's got the inside. Nailed right down. Drive him through, boys. Get off the brake in that black one. You can't beat him that way. The green truck's gonna get you. He's taking you high, wide, and handsome. That'll teach you not to put a number on your truck, fella. Is Justin Sawyer in a GM MMC. Dakota, he took a no-dose pill before he came out. It didn't work.
He's gone.
And next week, what's going to happen? Racing Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday, oh, look at the lights on this puppy. Holy whoopee. Ladies and gentlemen, in your backyard in about an hour, he'll be jacking deer.
Somebody tell him we light the track. He doesn't need his lights and the light bar.
Now, this little gray truck we've seen a few times, haven't we, buddy?
so beautiful.
And he has won a mini that time. Number 14, Mark Pinnell, out of Holland. Corey Mason in that Explorer.
Jerry, you want to put any money down?
Money on what? The last place?
No, I'll say, Mr.
Pay attention. There you go! The gas tank of the little black truck is right up inside the bed. He's making it pretty, making it fancy, but he's not making it fast.
Yeah, he gone.
Oh, actually, the other guy's fast and he's not fast. I see. I'd like to have that engine in my go-kart. Ooh, I love the wheels. He does too. Get him moving. Black and white and red all over.
Hey, I bet a GMC wins this.
All right. Come on, we need a close one. We haven't had a really close one yet. Get that black Chevy moving. Come down low on him now. Put the bumper to him if you have to. We've seen it happen more than once here. No! Too little, too late. Ben Chris out of South Portland in a Silverado. Hello? This one's for the Dowdies. It says on the rear window, the Dowdies don't give a dime because you're so slow. You know what I mean, Bern? He's out for Halloween and he won't get back here until Thanksgiving, I bet. God bless America, though. Thank you for wearing the flag. Oh, what is this little orangey thing? Looking mighty fine from here.
I like it.
Oh, look at the lights on this. His lights cost more than my car. Oh, they both got fog lights. Foghorn! Oh, I missed that number on that guy. 721X. I don't got either one of them with a number.
What?
Now them rear wheels don't match up for crap.
Right on the chip.
He put some out of stock wheels on the back and they seem to be working, but he needs a little more. Should have had his girlfriend right in the back, give him a little weight right over them wheels.
He did hit the brake lights.
No way.
Yeah.
Did you hear that thing whine? He got an afterburner in there. In a Tundra, out of date. But he's looking mighty stout. Oh man, go for it. Hammer down.
Digging down the backstretch.
Hey, you got a radio. Ask Junior to get his name the next time he comes back around.
Yeah, I can do that.
Nice!
No, it's a Mustang. My dad could see
Black flag, disqualified. Oh man. Who won the car? Trucks and
Well, the truck's winning right now, so
good thing.
I'd hope so.
Yes.
He's trying to drift.
That's what I think of him. Tired of that truck race. He thinks he's got appeal, but he don't. Aha, here's our drifter, Mr. Audette. Jeffrey out of Standish going against the older Ford with no number on it.
Was it just me? Did he find high gear there?
Oh, that's got a heart in the back window, and I can't read the name. Maybe Carrier. He's probably proposing to somebody tonight. Hang on, Audette. Hang on. Wow. Nice. Now these guys got to go around and hit that sand and go round and round. 3 and 71-3 is Joshua Palmer. 71 again. Side by side, they go through the sand without any trouble this time. Down the back chute, just a half a truck length separates them. Just a truck body here. They come on, whoa. Gonna be low, gonna crash him. Bring it low, put them up a top. Come on, home! Everyone, Kevin Kimball.
Yeah, warm up the tires.
Mackie Pennell again, coming up against that number 4 of Chris Merrill. Chris Merrill in the little Chevy. Chevy's got his work cut out for him now with Mr. Pennell in that 14. Oh, I like the 14. Off they go. We've got both of these buttons. Pennell with the advantage out of turn 2. Down on the back chute. Pulls off about 4 truck lengths. Into turn 3. Holds the advantage. Coming through 4. Still a truck length advantage. And that was an easy win, but he picked up the win.
Maybe. You didn't even see the numbers on those two cars, Jerry.
I was supposed to be paying attention, wasn't I?
Yeah, you were, but that was an awesome burnout. Did you see that?
Yeah, but I'm too poor to pay attention.
Sign him up for next year.
Come on. Bring it in, come on, drive that white truck. Plenty of room on the inside. Come on, he left it open for you. Drive it like you stole it. No.
Chopped him.
Heavens to Myrna Lloyd. If it gets too dark, I'll take off my hat and tip my head towards the drag strip. Yeah, Number 8, we know that's Tyler Steves. And the 721, we don't know who it is, but we love the truck. Let's see how he does down the back chute. He's going to drive it hard down the back chute. He's still 3 truck lengths behind. 2, 1, bring it in hard now. You're going to get him out of his groove. You're going to win this. You are going to get it done, buddy.
Inside line.
Tyler Steves out of Wyndham. Picks up the window, little GMMMC. Oh, and that beautiful little red Ford, which I believe we don't have a name on him.
We're getting one.
500. He's halfway to 1,000, ain't he, by tracking? And there's 1,003 right to his outside with the dirt on it. I probably shouldn't say it, but as soon as he knows he's put a fender to anybody yet. Well, it ain't gonna happen this time because he never gonna get close enough. You know what I mean, Vern? This Claudette's coming out again in the moment. Bring it home! Anyway. Claudette's making it look bad this time. Claudette's got the hammer down and the white one. He'll be drifting right along here in a minute, folks. When he comes out of turn 4, call him the drifter. How does that drift over those speed bumps? Not very good.
You know what's the best part about that, Jerry?
What's that?
That's his daily work truck. He takes that to work every day.
What's he do for work? Man, they're off and running.
Yeah, I know.
Put it on and blind the guy in front of you. That's what you gotta do, but you gotta get close enough so you can see it in his window.
I wanted to see it after last race, but he didn't light it up.
Ain't gonna happen, is that?
Oh, there it is.
There
He's
it
got
is.
it on. Just in case you can't see. Hey, everybody, look out. He's blinding everybody.
Gotcha, buddy. Get out of here.
Yeah, there he goes.
Sure. Your kids need bread and milk for school Monday morning, and you just stove up $150 worth of tire.
Billy McIntyre in the 500.
Hey, the fog is set in here. What's going on? I can't see. Anyway, let's see how we done down the back chute. The Ford's a little loose from the rear end. He's got a little loose condition. He's fighting the
Drive it in there.
Ford, but he's gonna drive it hard in 2 and 3. All the way around. He's drifting up. Not gonna happen. That beautiful little truck goes good, but
500.
I bet he's an Apple.
He could be.
McIntyre or Macintosh?
No, McIntyre, not Macintosh.
22 on that, going up against Puddle. It ain't gonna get any better than this one. On that decent wide. Puddle will try to go to the inside, maybe. Is there gonna be room? They both got a lot of horsepower. This one's gonna get crazy coming out of turn 4. Puddle goes to the inside. Let's see if he can pull this off. He is good at this.
Yeah, bye.
Oh, sounds like a short circuit in the muffler bird. I believe we got Mr. Tyler Steves going up against Mr. Mark Puddle.
Well, that's
Puddle in the
it,
gray truck, the Dodge. Tyler Steves and the Jimmy. You got a little under the hood of that puppy too. Both. A couple of fine little trucks. Puddle's giving him about a door length advantage.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Now go.
He gone.
Let's see if that helps him. I think Puddle's got him down the back chute.
Look at the outside. Look at the outside.
Turn 3. Fender to fender. Here he comes through turn 4.
Look at that thing go.
Sideways. Get more sideways. That's what we paid the big bucks for. That right there. Puddle will stow to the inside now. Tyler Steves will come to the outside. All right, Puddle to the inside. Steves to the outside. Listen to them engines. Them are great running little truck.
Trying to come down.
Side, don't scratch him, boys. Puddle looks like he's gonna pick up 500 bucks 2 in a row. Looking good. He had a distinct advantage of that little gray truck. Down the inside, he's gonna bring it around for one more winning. Beech, Ridge, Motor Speedway. Couple of fine little trucks.
I know.
How about you fight us, Beech Ridge? A round of applause for Mark Puddle. Great show, buddy. Thank you very much. Yellow plates, that thing you can